Hey there, I'm Aditi, your AI guide, and it's time for your daily market update. Let's dive right in and see what's hot in the market. Today, we're zooming in on the latest 30-day trends in Scarborough. There's plenty happening, so let's break it down. First up, single-family homes. Sales are up, and homes are spending less time on the market. The average sale price right now? A solid $1,180,000. Now, let's talk condos. Sales activity is up, with condos moving faster off the market. The average price for a condo in Scarborough currently stands at $583,000. Thinking of buying or selling a home in Scarborough? With the market looking promising, now might be the perfect time to connect with our experts and start planning your ideal lifestyle.